Hello friends. Today we are going to see Python for loop. So already we completed with the while loop. So for loop, it's very simple loop. If you have good understanding of while loop, uh, for loop is cake off, I can say. Because while loop, what we do, all the initialization, increment, that exit point, everything we do, but for loop, it's automatically happen. This is the basic syntax of for loop. So for then the variable. This is the temporary variable. Hold the data in. Then this sequence here. It can be any kind of list value, tuple, string, dictionary, range. Any kind of value we can pass here, and it start reading the values one by one till the end of the value. So here we can keep all the execute statement. This is a basic and simple syntax for loop. Okay. So so the for loop is for is keyword is start the loop and variable is get the value from the sequence one by one, and here the sequence anything, and code block here whatever the value we are having it we can process it. So a simple example using this is our own function, we have it in Python range. So always we do range based search in the for loop. So just the syntax for I in the range this 5 means it will fetch the first 1 to 5 the value. So then we can print it. So just I will run this simple example. So just I am putting it here. So just I am for loop I in, then just I am reading the 5 values. So example, just I am running it. So see, it will start with index 0 to 5 values. So till 4 it's running. If you want to see the 5 values, then what you can do? Starting from 0 to 1 to 5, then you have to start with the index 0 to 5. So it is a starting point and ending point in between whatever the value you want, it will spend. So example, if I want to 1 to 5, then I have to end with 6 starting value is 0. So in between whatever the value 1 to 5, it will get it. So this is a range based value. We can see if you are seeing it. 0 to 5. Okay. So that's 6 value. So example, I want to see 1 to 5. See 1 to 5. So less than that index value we can see. If you want to see this value also, then what you have to do? Add plus 1. Then the end value till whatever the value expected from that value you can see it. Okay. So just you see 1 to 6 we can see it. And we have range, it will accept one more parameter, that is offset. See how you want to display this value. I want to incrementing by 2. Starting from 1, adding 2, then it will display um, another 2, still 6. So it will be, okay, so I didn't save it. Okay, this is the value. So 1 and it's adding 2, then 3, and it's 5. See, so remaining all it's same. See, if you want to automate this value, then you can um, start uh, adding the variables. Like example, start range. Okay, start range equal to input, enter the start range. Okay, then end range, input, enter the end range, offset val, input, You enter the offset val. That's it. So now we start getting the input as runtime. So just I am doing the conversion as well here in integer. So here. So so it start. We can pass this value variable here. Start range. This is end range. Then offset value. It will start asking the inputs then. Oh, run it. Start range. I want to start it from 1. I want to print till 10. Offset value increment 2. See, starting from 1, it's incrementing till 10. Okay. So we can see whatever the concepts you know, you can start applying it till now, whatever the session I shared. So all the concepts you can directly apply and you can start using the for loop. It become very easy because all the manipulation, everything it's done by Python in the automated way. That's why you can see industries mostly used in Python. So just I start giving some few more examples. So this is this one I have done. Just I am running it for um, some list of value. See if you see here some list of value I have. Just I am adding three list value fruits. Just I can read it all three values from here. This is the I didn't save the fruits. Okay, still I am taking this input. That's why it start asking this. Just I am going keeping it this. So just see three values. See example. If you are not passing this variable, just example I am passing it. Um, just apple single value. I am not passing the. Then what happen? It will print each letter. See example. It will read one by one and print each letter. If you want to uh, read it list of value, then you can put it within square bracket list of value and you can use that variable then to read it. So here it's reading this. You want to keep it in example. I am taking um, IDX value. So here I am giving okay Raja. So IDX value, see, then name full is putting this value, then comma and I am not going next line. Just I am printing it same line. Okay, just to save it. Okay, it's a string. I am passing string, so it should be yes. See, dx value. So it's on printing one by one. So if I remove this, it will be showing. See, see. So it's printed Bhagiraj Raja. Okay, that's a way. Whatever the concepts you can apply and for loop, and you can see just a few examples. I am showing it here. So printing list of value, and this um, some patterns. Whatever the patterns we saw in the um, while loop. Similar way we can do it for also. Just I am showing some code for loops. You can try on it. Okay. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.